Okay, that is it. Come on, who they breathe? Try. And hi guys. Well, I've not really traveled by train before. This is my first time. God, I don't even know. I don't know how it will be. I don't know. I don't know the feeling. So I just want to. This is my first experience. See me now. You still want to say something? Thank you. Okay. Actually, my auntie chose my outfit today. No. It's true that it choose it. So actually, there's no. But Mina, see that? Is that looking good?
Oh my god. We are going for. Oh, yeah, turn that. What are you saying? What are you saying on your this thing?
No, it's not looking good. I mean my band. Like I just wanted to see how I look. I'm looking bad. Okay.
Go for so, we are going for train trip to Aba Temple. Oh my god. This is so good. This is so lovely.
Making me laugh. If you fall, you fall.
So we're actually going on a train to the temple at Aba.
Be like Esther.
This is actually my first time entering train. That's if the train never leave us Wakasha.
We were not informed.
We'll trek hopefully. Because we know even Sabi Road. Happiness film front. Don't see the railway. We're actually walking on the railway.
No, this thing is front camera.
I say,
hey, this is the railway, and see them. Victory, see you now. Where are you rushing to? Because you're wearing slippers. Okay, this is the railway. We are on our way. Hey, wahala. We trek. We just trek because maybe they have left us behind. Divine, take it easy. Ew.
feel like this now. You know you're a content creator now. Wow.
I won't.
No,
To this side before. So just. It's like my village. Yeah. What will be this? What are they doing here? You don't do. Ew. See Port Harcourt now. See railway. Okay. See railway. See people. See stress. We have to trek from that side. We'll drag with you. Okay, right now everyone is getting ready because the train is coming. Ew! See me now. Stop now. What's your own? There they go. It's about. I've not seen train though. Like it's still very long.
At this moment, I was actually inside the train. I was seated on the seat. Then Happiness and others were actually on the other side. This was actually the VIP section, I guess. Not I guess, I'm very sure. The prices are different as well. So if you actually want to enjoy your AC, you can actually book the VIP section. It's not even expensive at all. It's actually 1,500, while the regular is actually 800 naira. So I was actually enjoying the view from where I was seated, but of course it was kind of boring for me because I had no one to talk to. I was literally the only person who sat there.
Hey, I was trying to film that water, but maybe like say we don't pass with you.
Okay, we are here. Hello, we are here and okay guys,
So guys, we've actually gotten to the temple site. Shoot, it's not allowed. Film yourself. So we've actually gotten to the temple site and we're very tired. Look at how beautiful the environment looks. Oh man, we're still going to take pictures. This is looking so nice and beautiful. Let me film Esther and our food. If I look for one chicken, I'll sue you. Them. Happiness, let me film you and your skirt. This your skirt is very fine. Oh man, Sister Nkechi is coming. It's actually nice. You're looking fine.
thank you.
You're looking like a Father, I don't know, you're looking like one British girl.
Come on. If I slap the precious your hair,
Nga,
let's not
come and
follow.
feel.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, climb now. Climb. Sharp, climb. Follow her now, you cannot climb. Oh yeah, let me snap you there. Don't worry. Okay, so what's your name? You on the green this thing.
Okay. My name is Stephanie Happiness Benjamin.
And you? Alright, so how was your experience today at the temple?
Okay, I'm feeling blessed. When I came, I felt as if I came with burdens, but now I'm feeling relieved and I'm happy. So that's the work of the Lord.
Yes. Everyone is out.
What are they waiting for? Now this is 2:43. The train is going to be by 3.
I was shocked because I've never been here before.
Aww.
After I got baptized, I felt so relieved and I had to be baptized in the church. So I'm happy.
Alright. Thank you. You should spin around for the camera now. Spin. Not be picture, not gonna where they come. So we've actually come to the end of today's temple trip and we're about to head home now. So this is me. I'm really exhausted. And thank you guys for watching this little vlog. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. I still do other vlogs while coming back.